Hey, what's up guys? This is Ryan Sims, and today we are going to be talking about in-studio ballet photography. Dance photography. So dance photography is something that I've personally always wanted to get into, and so my friend Maddie, she is not only an amazing makeup artist that we have gotten to use on other shoots that we have done with Buff, but she is also a great dancer, and she has connections to great dancers. And so Maddie actually brought it up that we should do a dance photo shoot. So as we're getting ready for this photo shoot and gathering inspiration from other photographers like Josh Moody, and just really kind of studying the light, I decided to go with a very soft yet dramatic type of look. From a main light, I used a DigiBee 800 with a 86-inch PLM white interior umbrella with spill kill fabric and white diffusion fabric. And we had that placed on a boom stand just overhead for several reasons. One, whenever you've got a dancer just kind of leaping across the stage, it's kind of, in general, it's going to be able to illuminate the subject. It's not necessarily facing to the left or facing to the right or anything like that. It just kind of covers the general area that the dancer is going to be dancing in, but also a lot of the poses that our dancers were doing involve them looking up or something like that. So you're still getting some good portrait lighting that's kind of just spilling down on the mask of the face. For rim lights, we had these two 10 by 36 inch strip boxes. We want everything to be very soft and very elegant because the tone of what we were shooting, the content was very soft and elegant. And so I felt like we wanted that to match and to feel like it matched. For several of the shots, we just used the main light. Just wanted to have it, you know, again, that very soft, very elegant lighting. And then there were other shots that we did where we turned the main light off and just used the rim lights and made it a little bit more dramatic. So here are the final images. For these shots, I wasn't necessarily too concerned with my camera settings. I know I didn't want it to be super detailed, so I didn't shoot at a super high f-stop. I think a lot of the shots were probably shot around like f5.6 and somewhere, you know, give or take, somewhere in that area. But because we were in a controlled lighting studio environment, you know, the flash freezes the action. And so I wasn't really concerned too much with high-speed sync or anything like that. One particular shot, we turned the main light off and it was just the rim lights cutting out the shape of her body as she's hitting that pose. And I just wanted that particular shot to be a little bit more dynamic and dramatic in its presentation, and I felt like the rim lights really helped to capture that. Overall, I was really happy and pleased with how these shots turned out. Again, I've wanted to do a shoot like this for a really long time. This was a breath of fresh air for me. It's a nice change of pace because I normally do a lot of Photoshop composites, and it was nice to be able to kind of come back and do something a little bit more simple in its elegance and how we captured it. And so it was a lot of fun. If you like my work and want to follow me, you can follow me at Ryan Sims Photography on Instagram, and check out my work at www.ryansimsphotography.com. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed shooting it. And if you like this video, please make sure that you like, subscribe, and comment in the comment section below. And we will see you guys in the next video. No. All right, cool.